Isithangami sabezindaba esibanjwe yilomnyango silandela ukuphoselwa inselele kwalomnyango ekutheni ungqongqoshe wezamabhizinisi asathuthuka uStella Ndabeni-Abrahams asho ukuthi isetshenziswe kanjani imali engu500 million eyakhishwa ngumengameli nyakenye ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi amancane. Umnyango uthi kule mali kusasebenze ingxenye yayo.
To date, 2,369 businesses have been approved to support through the fund. For applications that have been completed, the verification and the compliance process and meet all the program requirements, approval rates remains at 100%, demonstrating government's commitment to supporting qualifying South Africans-owned spaza shop.
Kulezi zicelo zingu354 izicelo zosomabhizinisi ezichithiwe ngenxa yokungahlangabezani nemigomo yokuthola le mali.
A significant number of applications remain unable to progress until licensing and compliance requirements have been addressed. And as part of ensuring the integrity of the program, site visits and verification processes have identified that 354 applications that could not be processed due to non-compliance, including non-existent businesses, ownership discrepancies, and inconsistencies between the applicants and the operators.
Umnyango uqinisekisile ukuthi bonke abantu abasathole le mali abanikazi bezitolo abangumsinsi wokuzimilela kulelizwe.
It is important to know that the fund supports South African-owned spaza shops with strict verification measures in place to prevent fronting and abuse. Only applicants who meet ownership, compliance, and operational requirements and who possess valid trading permits or licenses are approved.
Kulesi sithangami bebekhona asebehlomulile kulolu hlelo kanye nalabo abangakahlomuli.
Yonke into abayifuna ngibe-comply ngenza yonke into. So ngathola yonke into right. So ngijabulile nje kakhulu ngitholile.
I haven't benefited. I come here representing my father from Cheapside Depot in Mamelodi. To be honest, the process of the application was tedious. The government has lost touch with the ground level.
Kuququzelwe abantu abanamabhizinisi asafufusa ukuthi baqhubeke bafake izicelo zokuxhaswa ngemali njengoba u300 million wayo ungakasebenzi.